Alright, let's do some traditional car spotting. Fantastic Coca-Cola spec. Can't park here, mate.
Hello.
Helmet, Hans, cameras. Because we are going to destination Nürburgring track day. Yeah. But first a quick look in here. Doing some final touches, scanning off the bonnet for M2 kit. So thank you very much guys for bringing the M2, for allowing us to use it. Hopefully we're gonna slap one of our wings on yours. Alright, let's go to the track. As mentioned, destination Nürburgring track day. Chris Harris is there, randomly. Maybe we can get a lap with him. I wouldn't mind. Alright, almost signed up at the end. Need to put the emergency contact details. That guy might be a bearded friend forever. Alright, let's do some traditional car spotting. I think I know that STO. Yeah, definitely. That's the one from the E46 supercharged video. And then we have some E92 with some fancy aero. Look at those louvres coming out of the front fenders. Yeah. What else do we have? The familiar Zagreb IMSA 19 car. The GT3 RS, fantastic Coca-Cola spec. Really, really love it. Then we have more traditional 991.2 GT3 RS non-MR, but with Cup 2R tires, because sticky is what it's all about today. Subaru, the Laras are here. That's nice. And then we have the GT3 Touring, also lovely. How elegant you can get out of such a car.
I have a proper classic up in the corner.
Oh, let's have a look then.
I have an R26R.
Oh, nice!
It's 15 years old. I have it since day one.
Oh, that's cool. That's amazing.
Proper race car. Cayman R.
Nice, nice plate.
Thank you very much.
I like it. Very cool.
And that's my little Megane over
there.
Nice.
Nice plate there as well. She looks good. I love the traditional colors.
Yeah.
The white and red.
It's got Cup 2s and race pads. It's got Mintex 1155s and 1144s in it.
Nice. Very cool. Very beautiful. Good to meet you. Have fun today.
See you again soon.
Good seeing you. Yeah, bye-bye.
Seeing you on YouTube.
Yes, see you around. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, you?
Very well.
Good seeing you. Nice car. Not a really track day car, but...
Not really, but it'll do for today.
Yeah. Can't park here, mate.
Hello. I just thought to myself, I'll be able to bring it out here.
Yeah.
And I did the first lap I did in it, after I'd been in the RS, and it went straight off in Tigger.
Oh.
Because it's got so little grip compared to that car.
Yes.
Like,
oh, where we go. And no double wishbone front.
You really know.
You feel
on the road, I had one. I had the new one.
Yes.
And I sold it because this
is
is a nicer car.
It has cup holders.
Yeah. It's a much nicer car to use every day. I think it's prettier. And I don't like the cabin on the 992.
Yeah, me neither, to be honest.
But and the other thing about the RS, which I think is a mistake, I know with the cooling pack it's all clever,
yeah.
but without the front, like two of us really couldn't get here with helmets and bags.
You know the funny thing is, like this is like Euro delivery, so US cars they don't get cage. So people complain like we don't get cage, but actually a lot of people say also like I wish I could.
They've designed a cage where you can't get the helmets.
No.
Why did they do that?
I know.
Can I get a picture of you now?
Yes, of course.
Yeah?
And the racing's going well, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're doing really well, aren't you?
Yeah, we're doing quite alright. Hey.
What's that class like? Is it SP8?
It's SP.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can I get in the middle? Is that
yes,
right?
sure. Go for it. Enjoy your laps. Nice. So what's done to it?
Manthey 3.9 engine.
Whoa.
Manthey gearbox. Cup car diff.
Very cool.
JRZ suspension. Uniball.
Very nice. Do you have something for the front aero?
Just the cup car bumper.
Okay.
And then they put these on and a hole through the wheel arch.
Yeah.
I'm not entirely sure what else is different. No carpets, no frunk.
Because we did a quick mock-up for a 996.
And what's this, like 3D printed or something?
Well, we can do 3D print, but we make it actually out of carbon. It'll be like around 200 kilos of downforce on the front. It's basically close to GT3 levels. So we'll be properly to compensate that. What's that? Blueberry cookie. Interesting. No, I'll go for classic. There you go. Almonds. Hello. Yum. I just noticed the license plate of the Swift Performance M4 nostrils. That's amazing. European delivery car. Vibes. All the cars are coming off the track. The track is closed because it's the end of the track day, the end event track day, 6:15. And now in 45 minutes will be public session. Thank you very much to Darren and his crew for a fantastic day, fantastic weather. Really, really not so British of them to bring sunny weather, so for which I appreciate. But hey, times change and it's good to have a change. Fantastic. Oh, look at that lovely matte. Guards red, maybe guards red, GT3. And a baller license plate. Anyway, let's go see what's up for the rest of the day. Ooh, that's nice. Nice sound.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Looking good too. The queue is already there for the ticket office. Nice wing. No wing. Oh, a bit of a ducktail. Hello. Hi. Ugh. Ooh, it's hot. So it's 6:15. The track's been open for over an hour now. I really wanted to do some laps, but look, we're here at Apex, and the traffic jam was, well, it used to be all the way till the boulevard, all the way from here to the track. So today, no laps. Yeah, very impressive. Supposed to do a lap with this, but really do not want to spend 2 hours in the traffic jam getting on the track today. Maybe try to do it tomorrow morning. And now later, there's a traffic jam back to the Nürburgring Boulevard. Alrighty, let's go get some food. Asparagus soup, yeah. Oh, you got 2 soups.
One is for Diana.
Tomat. Some fish. No fish. It is. Well, the normal hours, if it would focus, yeah. But we're working. Are we working?
Maybe.
Yeah, good naps. Anyway, but there are polar lights, so here's the camera. Have fun. Bye.
Okay, bye, let's go.
You are going?
I'm going alone.
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
So, they're there, but but you cannot see it. Misha, I tried. I was so excited. Maggie's here. Here's the moon. I don't know. You cannot see it. Maybe if it's on the computer you can see something, or maybe if you put the brightness like to 1,000,000 you can see something.
Yes.
Well, we can see patat.
And we showed what our phones. So.
Yeah, I showed. I literally put the picture in front of the camera.
Ta-da!
Did you see UFO?
No.
Look.
Yeah.
Like here, and a small alien inside. Or a creature, like head. We didn't drink anything, imagine.
Pancake! Pancake! Why were you there? Why are you looking at the speedster? You want a spoiler? You want a splitter?
Split that fish.
Snacker. Split it for your snacks?